Now, with less than 6 weeks to Christmas Day, the COVID-19 situation could get far worse across the European continent, dampening holiday spirits that have started to set in. Governments and healthcare workers are on high alert as Europe faces a fourth COVID-19 wave. Eunjin reports.
Last week, Europe accounted for more than half of the 7-day average of infections globally and about half of the latest deaths as the region once again becomes the epicenter of the pandemic. Governments across Europe are taking measures to reintroduce stricter restrictions, with the virus hitting with full force once again ahead of the holiday season.
The current pandemic situation in Germany is dramatic. I can't say it any other way. The fourth wave is hitting our country with full force.
On Thursday, Germany approved new measures to handle in excess of 65,000 reported COVID-19 infections, a new daily record for the country. Germany's full vaccination tally stands at only around 68%, and it's even lower in some European countries. Austria has one of the highest infection rates in Europe, with more than one-third of its population still unvaccinated. Slovakia and the Czech Republic are also reporting daily records of new cases, while Hungary and Poland have reported their highest numbers in 6 months. Along with Germany passing legislation to introduce 2G restrictions, which only allows free movement for those vaccinated or recovered, other European countries are following suit.
From next Monday, all adult unvaccinated citizens, in addition to catering facilities, will not enter other indoor areas, not even if they carry test results, in cinemas, theaters, museums, or gyms, for example. It is an immediate act of protection and, of course, an indirect entreaty to be vaccinated.
In Greece, the latest surge of infection cases has overwhelmed its healthcare sector to the extent that doctors from the private sector have been called in to help with patients at public hospitals as well as intensive care wards. As Europe looks to embrace a very bad Christmas, debate also continues as to whether vaccines alone are enough to bring the COVID-19 global pandemic under control. Eunjin, Arirang News.